Here are some interesting facts about refrigerators. The modern refrigerator was invented by Carl von Linde in 1876, however, the first household refrigerator, the General Electric monitor top, was introduced in 1927. Refrigerators are designed to slow down the growth of bacteria and spoilage of food by maintaining a low temperature. This helps to preserve food for longer periods. The recommended temperature for a refrigerator is around 37 to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. 3 to 5 degrees Celsius. Freezers are typically set at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius. Proper sealing of the refrigerator door is crucial for energy efficiency. A loose or damaged seal can lead to energy waste and increased electricity consumption. Refrigerators have different compartments and shelves designed for specific types of food storage. The coldest area is usually at the bottom.